Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Riddhi Chaudhary and you are watching Grid Sattva. So friends, today I am going to tell you how to make homemade canvas using only 4 materials. You need to take a old notebook, scissor and Fevicol mixed with water and Buckram, which is easily available in the general stores. Now let's start. Cut the cover of the notebook. Cut it carefully and you can cut it in any size according to your needs of the paintings. We will take the smooth side of the cover. Now take the buckram and put your cover on it and take the measurement so that you don't waste the buckram. Use a scale to take measurement. Take the measurement of the buckram 2 cm extra from the length and breadth both so that you can paste it properly. We have taken the measurement properly and now we will cut the buckram. Make sure you are cutting it properly or else you can take the help from someone else also. Now we will paste our cover on it. Before pasting you need to know which side should be used for painting. The glossy side will be inner and the rough side will be used for painting, which is good for painting. So we will going to use Fevicol on the glossy side. Make sure you are using Fevicol mixed with water. Use thin layer of Fevicol. Don't use too much of Fevicol on one place. Now take the buckram and paste on the cover. Press it properly. Now apply the Fevicol on lower side also and paste it. Make sure you are using thin layer only. Don't use too much of Fevicol on one place. Now paste the buckram on the cover and press it properly. Now we will apply the Fevicol on the back side of the cover and paste it from the upper side. Use thin layer of Fevicol. Now fold the Buckram and paste it on the cover properly. Press it with your hands slowly. Repeat the process from the other three sides also. So now our canvas is just ready. Friends, if you like a video, please give it a like button and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon also. And if you need a particular video on a particular topic, you can tell your topic in the comment section. Our homemade canvas is ready for the painting under rupees 30. Thank you so much for watching.